This is what it is, okay? I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now, you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now, water can flow, or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Man, how cool was that unboxing? That was insane. I hope I captured all the detail and essence of this because it was such a cool experience. Now, unfortunately, you can't go purchase this mouse. This is the Bruce Lee Friends and Family Edition, which means it's just being sent out to certain reviewers and gamers and whatnot. And I was actually lucky enough to get one, so I decided to make a video on it. But there's two things with this mouse that are different from the original X2 that are worth talking about. So first of all, the coating is different here. They've added a rubberized, thick, very premium, very high quality and super grippy coating, which is a huge upgrade over the original X2s. Those kind of had that plasticky matte finish, which wasn't very grippy for someone like me with kind of dry hands, and sometimes I sweat a little bit when I'm gaming. It would just be slippery kind of, the majority of the time. With this new coating, however, it's been extremely grippy if my hands are totally dry or if they're warmed up and then I get like a little bit of sweat in there, and it's instantly made it a much easier mouse to use for me personally over the original X2, which I reviewed a while back. This is a much better feeling in the hand. It just makes it feel higher quality, premium, grippy, and I would say personally to me this is a better coating than on the Superlight. Now the other thing they've done is they've added optical switches, so we're gonna have faster response times and no double clicking issues, which is really good. And so far I think the implementation of these optical switches is very good. I don't think it's quite as good as something like the V2 Pro or the Death Adder V3 Pro, but it's definitely up there. Clicks feel very good on this mouse. So overall, I'm hoping this is the direction Pulsar is going to be going in the future with the optical switches and this amazing coating. I just wanted to share these two with you and then, put this incredible paint job on camera. It was really fun to film. Thanks for sending it out, Pulsar, and I'll see you guys in the next one.